Today, I'm gonna show you how to make some Southern style collard greens, but with a twist. I had a comment from a commenter named Dorothy who asked if I can make some collard greens with some smoked meat. Now, normally you make them with ham hocks or turkey necks, but my family loves smoked neck bones, so that's what I'm gonna make them with. Let's get started. First, finely chop 1 medium onion and mince 6 to 8 cloves of garlic. Then set them aside. Now let's strip the collards from the stems. Look at these big old things, looking like church fans. There are a few ways you can strip off the collard leaves. 1, using a knife to cut off the leaf from the stem. 2, just peeling it off by hand. And 3, doing this technique. I don't really know what to call it, but just using your hand. Now, I don't like the third method. It looks and feels weird. The second method leaves too many precious leaves on the stems. And the first method, it feels just right. So after all the leaves have been cut off, you can toss the stems. Now, I'm pretty sure you can use them for something. Just comment below and let me know if you do. Next, I take a few leaves, stack them up, roll them, and then cut them into about 1/2 inch strips. Next, wash the leaves to remove any dirt and any unwanted stuff. You can use a salad spinner like I did here, but it'll take pretty much a long while, so I recommend using this sink. And then set it aside. Next, get a big pot and add 6 to 8 cups of chicken broth, or you can use 6 to 8 cups of water and then use better than bouillon. For 6 cups of water, use 6 teaspoons of better than bouillon mix. And for 8 cups of water, use 8 teaspoons of better than bouillon. Give it a quick stir. Then add the chopped onions and garlic to it. Give it another stir. And then add about 2 pounds of smoked neck bones. Cover with a lid and boil for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, take the lid off. Be careful because it's very hot. And give it a quick stir. Reduce the heat to a medium-low and put the lid back on. Let it simmer undisturbed for 45 minutes. Set a timer for 45 minutes.
Got it. 45 minutes. And that's starting now.
Give it another quick stir and then add all the chopped collard greens to the pot. It may seem like it won't fit at first, but trust me, they will. Add the lid and then stir every 15 minutes. After 30 minutes, add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of your choice of Creole seasoning, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and sparsely add some pepper flakes. Remember, you can always add more flakes, but you can't take them out. Give it a good stir. And add the lid back on and simmer on low heat for an hour. After an hour, give it another stir. Get a bowl and remove the meat, so you can remove the bones. Now don't be like me and try to remove them while they're piping hot, or it will burn your fingers, but I was just so ready to eat. Add the meat back to the pot, and you can gauge at this point to determine how much meat you would like to add to the greens. Oh man, just look at that. You can add some brown sugar to taste at this point and add more seasoning to your liking. Now let's plate it up. And give it a taste. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. What's that feeling? Oh no. What's that? I just got hit with a flavor-tack. It's when you experience too much flavor at one time and your body can't handle it. I just can't help myself. Now this dish is packed with a lot of flavor, and if you want, you can add some hot sauce to it too. So visit my recipe ranking page to see where this recipe ranks compared to the previous recipes, and check out the description below. And check out the navy bean and kale soup recipe by clicking the video on screen or clicking the link in the description below. And question, what's your favorite type of meat to add to collard greens? God bless, and comment below.